In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign PDF documents without ever having to print them out. Whether you're working from home, on the go, or just looking to save some paper, this quick guide will make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive in. If you do not want to install additional software, see the second method where I used online tools. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is a free and powerful tool that lets you sign PDFs digitally. If you don't already have Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, open your favorite browser and type Adobe Acrobat DC and download the free version. Install it on your computer. Launch Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and open the PDF you need to sign. In the left-hand pane, click on Fill and Sign. Click on the Sign icon in the toolbar, then choose Add Signature. After creating your signature, click Apply. Click where you want to place it on the document. Once you're satisfied, save the signed document to your preferred location. And just like that, you've signed your PDF without a drop of ink. Pretty cool, right? 2. Using online tools, Smallpdf or DocHub. If you don't want to install any software, online tools like Smallpdf or DocHub are excellent alternatives. Let's walk through the steps using Smallpdf. Open your browser and go to smallpdf.com. Sign in with email. Click on Choose File to upload your PDF document. Once your file is uploaded, choose the Sign PDF option. Click on Create Signature. You can draw your signature, upload an image, or type it out. Drag and drop your signature where you need it on the document. After placing your signature, click Finish, and then Download to save the signed document. Need to sign a PDF on the go? No problem. Here's how you can do it on your smartphone. Go to App Store or Google Play Store and install the Adobe Reader. Launch the app and open the PDF you want to sign. Tap on the sign icon, then choose Create Signature and draw your sign. Tap where you want to place the signature and adjust its size as needed. Once done, save the signed PDF and share it via email, cloud storage, or messaging apps. And that's it. Signing PDFs without printing is super simple and saves you time, paper, and hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time.